how's everyone doing today? So I just want to bring you some more information. This came out a couple weeks ago, but a lot of you probably already heard about it. But you know, the next year, Acura is launching its first all-electric vehicle, the ZDX crossover. That's some big news since it'll be their full-size SUV that'll be fully electric. So I am excited about that. Don't know if I will jump into one, but just kind of see what they have to offer to get in the market. But then Acura also announced that the new cars going forward, so the ZDX will be the first one. They will not offer their sound system anymore. Acura's sound system that they've been using for a while. And it's a great sound system at that. The ELS Studio 3D. If you guys ever heard that, it's a great system. It blows most other systems out of the water as far as the clarity, just the balanced sound. You know, it's not overly bassy, but it offers, I think a perfect balance. I had the Honda Accords before. Compared to that, there's no comparison to any other systems. It just sounds so crisp, and I have to have music when I drive. But anyway, the Acura is now going to partner with the Bang Olufsen sound systems. So I don't know if you guys have heard that, but the ZDX will be the first car that they produce that uses that audio system. Now, a lot of other car companies already use that sound system, but it's a first for Acura, and they've been using the ELS Studio system for over 2 decades now. So it's been a long time. So this is a big change for them. And the Bang & Olufsen systems, there's a lot of car manufacturers that use them. There's Audi, there's Bentley, Lamborghini, Aston Martin, Genesis. So it's a higher end sound system, and it's good. It is really good. A lot of good reviews about it. So time will tell how it's going to sound in the cars that they put it in, of course. So we'll have to do a comparison test down the road. But I thought that was some big news, since a huge selling point for Acura is the ELS Studio 3D sound system. They have so many speakers. Like, you have the ones in the headliner here in the front. Then you have the ones here in the back. Then you have the ones in the pillar, of course. And then you have the door speakers. You have the ones in the rear deck. And then you have the one here behind the screen. And like I said, it's a perfect balance, how it uses the glass it's really immersive, the sound, if you haven't heard it yet. But again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was interesting that they're switching brands all of a sudden. And they're using it, like I said, first in this new 2024 ZDX that they're coming out with. Just trying to go a new route. So I'm interested to see how that sounds. Hopefully it sounds as good or better than the current Acura system, because like I said, that's a huge selling point. I always tell people when they ask me if it's worth getting an Acura, it's kind of funny, but a huge part of it is, if you love music, it's a great sound system. Like, for me, I don't have to do anything to it. I don't need to add a subwoofer to get more bass out of it. To me, it's a perfect balance. And you can fine tune it how you want, but it's a great system. The clarity, you can turn it up and it's crystal clear. So for me, that's really good. So again, I was just putting the information out. A couple weeks ago, they announced that. I thought it was some interesting news, if you guys didn't already know. So going forward after this year, so 2024, all the models that Acura produces will start using the Bang & Olufsen sound system. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Again, drop me a comment in the comment section what your guys' thoughts are on that. If you listen to these systems and any of these other car manufacturers, what your thoughts were. Was it really good? Was it mediocre? I'd like to know, because I haven't heard too many of them. So I'd like to hear from people that have actually maybe even owned them, what your thoughts are. But I'm sure they've done a lot of research, and that's why they're switching over. So again, just want to throw that information out there. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.